Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Arduino programming. First, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the Arduino board itself, understanding its main parts. Then, download and install the Arduino IDE, which is your primary tool. Connect your board to your computer using a USB cable. Finally, upload a basic sketch, like the Blink example, to see your board in action. This initial step is crucial for building confidence. Once you've got the basics down, dive into core programming concepts. You'll learn about variables and different data types, which are fundamental for storing information. Next, explore control structures like if/else statements and various loops to manage program flow. Understand the essential setup and loop functions, and practice reading both digital and analog inputs from your board. These are the building blocks for more complex projects. Now it's time to expand your skills by working with external components. Start integrating sensors, buttons, and LEDs into your circuits. Discover how to use libraries, which are pre-written code modules that simplify complex tasks significantly. Learn about serial communication, a vital tool for debugging your programs and understanding what your Arduino is doing. Begin developing projects that combine several components for greater functionality. To continue your journey, explore more advanced topics such as interrupts and timers, which allow for more precise control. Investigate different Arduino board types, as each offers unique capabilities for various project requirements. Actively participate in online communities and forums. They are excellent resources for support and new ideas. Always keep learning through advanced tutorials and specialized books to deepen your understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.